Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to be making some dinner. Some homemade dinner. We're going to go ahead and start off with the beans. So this is the first step. We're going to go ahead and check through them, clean them, make sure there's no rocks or anything in there that's not a bean. Make sure they're nice and clean. And that way I'm going to go ahead and place them in my pot to give them a good rinse. To rinse them, I just like to get some water on them, shake them around, move them around a bit, and throw out the dirty water, and do that at least 3 times. Now lately I've been soaking my beans. They say that helps with digestion. So I just filled up the pot with water, get it to boiling, and once it's boiled, I put the lid on and turn it off for about an hour. Now it's time to get some salsa ready. I'm going to be using the tomatillos I have. There's about probably a pound. And then I have some 3 chilies. I think they're jalapenos. I'm not sure, but they're really spicy jalapenos if they are. I'm going to add in also 1/4 of an onion and about 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Just put them in the pan and turn them around a bit, get them all toasty. And once they're toasty and a little charred, or to your liking, I put them in the blender. That way I can blend them up to make the salsa. To the blender, I also added a little bit of salt and pepper, some cumin, oregano, and some chicken bouillon. If I had some fresh tomatoes, I would have had also toasted 2 to 3 of them with the rest of the ingredients. But I don't have any. I have this frozen package of tomato sauce that I made. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in a pan and get it defrosted. Once it's all defrosted and warmed through, I'm going to add some of the tomatillo sauce into the pan with the tomato sauce together. I'm going to go ahead and start with a little bit at first. I'm going to get it all mixed together and see how I like it. I noticed I needed some more, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some more. I feel like it needs some more tomatillo sauce, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more. I forgot to add in some cilantro to the blender, so I'm going to just go ahead and add some chopped up cilantro to this mixture, and it'll be just fine. Okay, now it's time to add in some chicharrones, aka pork rinds. And the rest is up to you. If you're making this and you like your chicharrones nice and crispy, just go ahead and cover them with the sauce for a little bit and then turn off the stove. Or if you like them to be soft, then you can cook them for a longer time, a couple minutes more, and they'll become soft. So depending on your taste, if you like them crunchier or not, you can just coat them with the sauce or leave them cooking for a little bit longer. And I just added a little bit of water so the sauce wouldn't be as thick as it was. So this is what we had today for dinner. Let me know in the comments below what you had for dinner. This is our chicharon and salsa with some frijoles de la olla. I forgot to get some video of the served plate, but we like it and it's really good together. So if you give it a try, let me know how you like it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.